Yan. Ang kanyang huli. Bang. Oh. Parihat na. What's this? Pang-adjust sa okay, ganyan yun. Setup. Si Olev. Quality certificate product name.
Mababayo na kayo.
Ano yung saan naman yung gusto? Kira na yun? Ano saan yung strap? Kanang ko. Strap na yung dalawa.
Mababayo na kayo ko.
Yan o. Sa halagang 5.20. Strap ramay ano na.
Pwede ko lang ng cash.
Okay, isa rin may adjuster. Isa wala siyang adjuster.
Dala pa rin.
Diyan ano siya. Ayun. Sa siya na i-option nga kanang kuan. Ikaw namili ani mga kuan. 3, 4 ano na yan.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, start festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I put
Ano
in
nga
this,
to?
I'm
Ang
on
tingin
it.
siya.
I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want 'em, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus.